All right, so here we are. This is SuperCut.video. This is an introduction to what SuperCut is. So SuperCut is a new screen recording tool that's just super blazing fast and that magically turns your screen recordings into fully branded and shareable videos like instantly. And nothing gets burnt in like in Loom, so your floaty head won't get stuck in the place where you put it. You can change the layouts after the fact. There is auto-generated chapters, there is full transcripts, you can have CTAs on your videos, so you can like link people to other places. And just the whole idea that these are super brandable videos, work in any type of environment, whether it's like forward or outwards facing videos, like for your sales team, or if it's just communication videos internally. You have a bunch of features, like look at this list really, like you can composite the recording after the fact, you can share it instantaneously, layouts, branding, 4K screen recording, it's super fast, it's native, you have AI features like background removal, auto chapters, some auto edit features that are coming, automatically cleans up the audio. Even though I'm using a good mic here, you don't have to use a good mic, it will fix the audio for you. They're playing around with eye contact, so if you gaze somewhere else and not looking like into the camera, it will correct and fix that. The visitor analysis and engagement analytics are super good. And then there are obviously captions based on the transcript. What beats me is also the fact that there are so many team features built already and it's still in closed beta. Coming in out of closed beta soon. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks, anyone can actually go in and use this. So yeah, it's just really overall a really good tool. So this is obviously the outside of it. If you go to the inside, you have workspaces, and here is like my SuperCuts. You can create more workspaces if you want to build up a library of different videos that live in different workspaces. Super easy to do that. You basically just go here, you create a new workspace. Let's call it sales, and we create that workspace. So go back to my videos, and here we see my SuperCuts, and then I go to sales, and then I have my SuperCuts. So very easy to organize your content. You can do unlimited workspaces. That's it, I think, for that. Okay, so what else? If I go into a video that I have previously recorded, let's go into this one. Here we can see I obviously haven't sent this to anyone, so there are no visitor stats and there are no play stats, and there's no engagement stats or click-through stats on my links. But this is your primary view. It's always default at 7 days. You can do all time, last month, or 7 days. Super important if you like having videos that you're sending out to prospects, or that you need to know who watched it and how it's performing and all that stuff. So you can open the video. This is the actual video backend. Like, this is what you see when you have recorded a video. So there's a few things that you can do here. You can edit the title. So if you want to call this something else, you can do that. You can check the automated chapters. You can also edit them, like if there is some issue, change the timestamp and the title. If you want to do that, you can add or remove chapters as well. And when you go into the full transcript, you can see the whole transcript, and you can click anywhere to play from that position. So if I wanted to play the video from here, we can see I click here and it will start playing the video. The video starts playing. There we go. The video starts playing. What's more powerful here is, like, if I don't like this layout, for example, I can go into the design settings, and I can go into layouts, and then I can easily change. So what I want is like this cutout of me here instead. Do I want a big cutout of me? No, I want to do a small cutout of myself. I want to make this selection the default selection for layouts, and I want to publish those settings. Now, if this was a traditional screen recording tool, this would have required you to redo the whole thing. There's no way to like get this working that quick. So now instantly, it actually processed everything and it's done. If this was a shared video, the links would be the same. People clicking on that link would now see the updated video. If this was an embedded video, the same. People would see the embedded video and it would just work. You can also edit the design after the fact. So if I wanted to change themes, here I got two themes. I got Super Theme and Citrus. If I wanted to do like a new theme, I could just spin up a new theme here, add a different logo. If I wanted to use a different logo, I can add my own fonts. I can choose from a pre-list of fonts. I can check the different palettes they have predefined here. There's mixed and spectrums, or I can just choose my own, add it using RGBA, HSL, or hex. And you can do that for the background, player color, and the brand color. And then you name your theme. I actually don't want to do a new theme now. I'm happy with this black and white theme that I got going. And then what I can do, if I want to take this video and not share the URL, but actually share the video, but share it with someone, like in a different way, maybe put the actual video on a drive, or have it on the company shared asset somewhere. I can actually download the whole file and I'll get the MP4 of this video and I can share it. Once you start sharing that video though, you won't have all the analytics. So depending on the use case, or if you want to take stuff that you've recorded here and edit it in your editing software, that's when you would actually download the video. But keep in mind, when you're sharing that video, you won't get any of the analytics. So I prefer to, if it's a shareable video, I prefer to send out the video link itself. But if you're going to do some processing on the stuff that you've recorded, yeah, downloading it and putting it into your editing software of choice would be the way to go. So actually that's like SuperCut in a nutshell. I think very like quick and easy introduction to what the tool does. And we'll be breaking down and going in feature by feature, like showing more in depth what you can do with the different features that are available. And also, as we are releasing more and more features, we will do deep dives into those as well. So if you want to know more about how to use SuperCut, if you want to follow along, please subscribe, like this video, share SuperCut with your friends. It is by far one of the most, if not the most powerful screen recording tool out there. I am really excited to be part of this and doing my little fair share of recording and sharing with you how to use this tool. Personally, I've completely stopped using Loom. This just like, yeah, there's no need for me to use Loom anymore. This just replaced Loom for me. So yeah, looking forward to see what you do with it, how we can improve, what features you want us to work on. And yeah, just generally enjoy using SuperCut, and see you out there in the verse. Have a good one.